Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to round corners in InDesign. So let's begin the video. Use the rectangle tool or any other shape tool from the toolbar to draw your shape. Select the shape. Now go to the top menu and click on Object. From the drop-down menu, select Corner Options. In the Corner Options dialog box, you will see different corner styles. Click on this arrow and select Rounded from the corner style options. You can adjust the radius of the corners by entering a value in the size box. A higher number will give you more rounded corners. If you want all corners to be the same, make sure Link Corners is checked. If you want different radii for each corner, uncheck this option and enter values for each corner individually. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.